you still creating PowerPoint presentations the long way around? Let's use Copilot to help us speed up the process. I'm Kelly from the 365 Training Hub. Let's take a look. I've downloaded a publicly available PDF for the National Strategy for Financial Capability. You can see it's 16 pages long and it's full of graphics, charts, information. It's got an overview and it talks through the different strategic approaches. I've saved this PDF into my OneDrive, and let's now use Copilot to help us create a PowerPoint. I've opened PowerPoint and I can use the Copilot icon here to create a presentation with file. I can attach cloud files, or because I've opened this recently, it's recognized it here. Copilot has extracted the key ideas from that PDF and presented them here as different sections with different slides. I can add more information in, and I can review everything that's Copilot has chosen, and here I can select a template. Note that your organization can supply you with your own templates here at this point. I'll use a recommended one for now. And now Copilot's generating the slides. We can see down the bottom the process that it's now adding titles to slides, now generating content for each slide. And now here, let's keep it and take a look. As I'm navigating through, you can see that it's got the template, it's pulled out the key points, it's created images. It's done a pretty nice job. And you can see here that each slide has speaker notes as well.